We actually have a broken post on this coil on this Briggs and Stratton. And I'm gonna see if we can repair this. With no welding and no JB weld, I'm gonna see what we can do here. I think that's gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and tap this to 832. So what we're gonna do here is we got some threaded rod, an 832 threaded rod, got a couple nuts on the end. I'm gonna lock these two so I can tighten it down. And then I'm gonna lock it down with this nut flush to here. And then I'm gonna use a washer also, but I'm also going to use a little bit of red Loctite on there. All right, so that's nice and tight. Bring this down. So I actually put two nuts on here so we can get our height. I'm gonna throw a washer on there. See where we need to be. We'll set our space in. I think that's gonna do it.